If you're an IT operations professional, a contract manager, or procurement professional managing IT assets with a spreadsheet, you know it. It's the worst. Your data is locked down on someone else's laptop, you can't make good decisions, and spreadsheets, quite frankly, aren't your friend. They're not going to send you a notification when your assets roll off your warranty contract. I can relate. I'm Reed. I'm the owner and founder of Reliant Technology. And when we started our company, we put all the IT assets we put under third-party support on spreadsheets too. And it was horrible. We missed contract end dates, we missed renewals. It cost us a lot of time and money. It was horrible and it sucked. We tried to build our own system in Salesforce, but it just didn't work. We had to rethink it, so we built our own platform. And today I'm excited to announce that we've got a free asset management platform we're giving away to our customers. And there's 3 things you need to know. Number 1, the tool is free. We're giving it away for free. Why? Well, we believe in loving our customers. The purpose of our business is to love people, love our customers, love our employees, and love our community. And we believe if we build something awesome that our customers love, that it'll work out in the end for everybody. The second thing you need to know is it's got a lot of features inside of it that save you time and save you money. They can track all of your assets, thousands of assets, tracks them in the cloud. It's totally secure. The third thing you need to know about the features is it's got a discovery tool that you can load in your data center and find all your assets. And if you've got a bunch of spreadsheets, you can upload them via CSV as well. So you actually can do something with the assets once you get them in the system. So if you want to sell an old piece of hardware, you can request trade-in value directly to the platform. If you want to buy third-party support, you can select an asset and get a quote for third-party support. If you want to buy some hardware for an asset, you can identify which hardware you want to maybe upgrade, and you can select that hardware and get a quote for hardware. And we're continually adding more features to make the tool better. And a bonus, we've built an EOL and EOSL catalog so that when you import your assets, we have already done the hard work and gathered the EOL dates and the EOSL dates for a lot of makes and models of common manufacturers such as Dell, EMC, NetApp, Cisco, and more. So I hope you like the tool. Check it out for free. Leave a comment if you've got questions. I'll be answering those myself. And subscribe to the channel. Schedule a demo today. If you've got any questions, we'd be happy to walk you through the tool and show you more about it. Thanks again.